Ekindeni mawelo mapacho ka kod mawuok e pinje maoko medo limo kadho wadh nam chumbi ne nyasi mag sikuku mar Christmas. Jokanye sekta mar limbe Vipingo koro ochako tugo moro more kaka sky diving mar medo ywayo welo. Tugo ni oywayo welo mawuok e pinje maoko madhi nyime gi neno ka gichikore ka giwuok e ndege nyaka e pi mar nam chumbi. Koloso gi jofwambo jatelo mochung' ne tukego Zenab Alibai wacho ni tugono mar chikruok ka ji wuok malo ka gitiyo kod mabul makende oywa welo mathoth mawuok e pinje mag Ulaya. Jokanyo koro kwa sirikal mondo mi ojiw wechego mag limbe.
We are very proud and honored to be hosting this event here, whereby international skydivers come to Kilifi County to do skydiving. We jump over the Indian Ocean and land right on the beach. This is a very amazing opportunity to bring in tourism for the county.
So this Go Jump Boogie is really great for us as Vipingo Ridge. We get tourists from all over the world coming in to be able to experience our hospitality, to be able to experience Kilifi, to be able to experience everything we have to offer. We have the animals up on the ridge, we've got some wildlife, we've got some great conservation, which I think ties in very well with the way that the way we're trying to progress. And our partnership with Go Jump Kenya really helps to cement us as a go-to place up and down the coast, putting Kilifi County on the map.
It's an incredible place, but to skydive and to see this beautiful area from the beautiful pristine sandy beaches to the golf course and the area around Vipingo Ridge is really amazing. So the fact is that now people are getting into extreme tourism. Quite a big chunk of tourism comes from extreme tourism, and Vipingo Ridge and Go Jump Kenya have known exactly how to tap into that market. So we should be seeing much more tourism coming in thanks to these extreme events and thanks to the coordination and